Welcome to Write It in 5. I'm author Victoria J. Coe. Today's session is creative writing. No pressure, no rules. Your challenge? Write as much as you can in 5 minutes. The topic this time is create a character who is a talking sock. But no one believes them. They wiggle, whisper sock jokes, and sneak into shoe stores to find their long-lost twin, who finally discovers their secret. So grab a notebook, grab a pencil, and if you need help getting started, consider no one expects their sock to talk, especially on laundry day. Or a sock peeked from a shoe display whispering, "Psst, see my twin?" No rules, just write for 5 minutes. Time starts now. You're halfway there. Keep coming up with more ideas. One minute left. Keep going. See how much more you can write. Time's up. Did you surprise yourself at how much you can write? It's amazing what you can do in just 5 minutes. Bonus, share or swap with a partner and ask them, what do you want to know more about? If you could change one thing, what would it be? If you want to write more or add on, go for it. No pressure. And I will see you next time.